Hey guys, welcome back. Are you trying to uninstall Riot Games client but getting the annoying client is still running error? Don't worry, I'll show you the quick and complete way to remove it from your PC. Follow the steps and you'll have it uninstalled. So, let's get started. First, check your system tray, bottom right of your screen. If Riot Client or Riot Vanguard is running, right-click on it and select Exit. Now, click Start, type Run, and open it. In the Run window, type Local App Data and hit Enter. Look for the Riot Games folder, right-click and delete it. Finally, go back to Start, search for Riot Games, click Uninstall, and finish the process. That's it. Riot Games client is now completely removed from your PC. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.